Here let us see a problem. A hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm. So first draw the XY reference line VP HP. Lamina rests on 25 mm on one of its sides on HP. Let me draw the hexagonal lamina 25 0 25 60 25 120 25 180 25 240 and final 300. Now you can see this, it rests on one of its side on HP. So first we have to make this hexagonal lamina as a group entity. Select all the entities, make as a group. Make as a group and rotate to keep one of its sides on HP. So select the hexagonal lamina, select one edge and keep it straight. You can rotate or you can keep it 90 degree so that it will, this is the position. Write the points on the corners, mention the points A, B, C, D, E and F. So next to draw the front view, take a line of 0.13 mm thickness, draw the projection lines from the corners to the XY reference line, extend it if possible and make a trim. By using line command, join the lines with 0.5 mm thickness from here to here and then here. Now mention the names for this edge F, F dash E dash and A dash D dash in bracket and B dash bracket C dash. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP, second one. So now we have to make this as a group. Select this front view, the line and the names I am selecting, and we have to make it as a group because the lamina has to make 45 degree to HP. So this is the point. We have to move this to little bit and we have to use rotate command here. Select the center of rotation and select it. You can rotate for the angle given, that is 45 degree. So now it is rotated. The angle you can see the 45 degree. Now by using 0.13 mm thickness line, thickness line, draw the projector lines from the front view, extend that towards downwards, and from here A, where A meets, from B where it meets with B dash, from C where it meets C dash, from D where it meets D dash, E and E dash, F with F dash. Mention the intersection points A, B, C, D, E and F. E actually should come down. Select E and keep it down. Yeah, this is the intersection point of E and F. This is the point. Now by using line of 0.5 mm thickness, we can join the points A, B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F. Select the corner, or that is, if possible, you can zoom it out. D to E. There is a problem over here. I should not go. No. Actually, the end point should be done. So delete that and make it D to E, end of this or intersection point exactly, and F, then A. Now the top view after inclination to 45 degree, we will get the top view. Next is the side on which it rests makes 30 degree to VP. So we have to move this with the help of move command. Select the view, keep it aside. And rotate the side on which it rests. That is, the EF is the side which is resting side. It should be rotated to 30 degree to the VP. Since it is down, the minus 30 degree I am giving. So now we can keep it as a 30 degree, move little bit away from that reference line. Angle, let me check this angle with this reference. It should be 30 degree to VP. So select the angle between the edge and the reference line, edge and the reference line. So it should be 30 degree. Okay. Then by using 0.13 mm line thickness, draw the projection lines from this B dash C dash line, extend this horizontally. A dash D dash line, draw the projector line 0.13 mm thickness, draw horizontal, and from the top you just draw the projector line where it meets. So A and A where it meets, select B and B dash where it meets. If not, you can extend and then trim it. And E to E dash line, point on the line, F to F dash where it meets. Okay, these are all the points. Now we mentioned A, B, C, D, E. By using the line command, join all the endpoints. Now select the lines. The entities of the front view, you select and make us 0.5 mm thickness. That's it. Now we have to go for trim option and edit the dimensions.